The N Pro 2D is a 60% mechanical keyboard designed for both portability and functionality. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel and smaller workspaces, easily slipping into a backpack. Don't let its small footprint fool you. This keyboard packs a punch. The 60% layout, combined with the clever Magic FN key on caps lock, provides access to all the standard functions, including F1, F12, without the bulk. This feature is a game changer, especially for gamers who need quick access to those keys. The double-shot PBT keycaps are a premium touch, offering excellent durability and resistance to wear and shine. They also contribute to a satisfying typing experience. The Gateron Red switches provide a smooth, linear key press, perfect for fast typing and gaming. The true RGB backlighting adds a vibrant, customizable element, allowing you to personalize your setup. The N Pro 2D boasts both wired USB and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, allowing you to connect up to 4 devices and seamlessly switch between them. This versatility is a huge plus for users who work across multiple devices. The 1,900 mAh battery ensures long-lasting wireless use. The revamped OBinskit starter software makes customization a breeze. You can easily program key layouts, create macros, and fine-tune the RGB lighting effects. This software truly unlocks the potential of the N Pro 2D, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. While the compact layout takes some getting used to, especially the tap arrow keys, the overall functionality and portability of this keyboard make it a compelling option. The N Pro 2D offers a great balance of size, features, and performance, making it a strong contender in the 60% mechanical keyboard market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.